Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Faith if you are new, and today I have another hair video for you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my mini twists. I have one mini twist video on my channel right now, and those twists were really small, like mini twists, but today I'm doing them a lot bigger, sort of like a medium-sized mini twist situation. We'll see how it comes out, but yeah, I want to show you guys how I do it from start to finish, so keep watching. Okay, so I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. I just washed my hair yesterday and I put it into these sections, so that's how I'm starting. And the first thing that I'm going to use is water. Water is your #1 main moisturizer. Keeping your hair hydrated in a protective style is super important, so that's how I'm starting. And then I'm going to use this Maui Moisture Coconut Oil Curl Quench Cream. I love this thing. It's a good light cream and it smells super good. Like, I don't know about you guys, but smells of products to me is pretty important and I love it. And next I'm going on with this Aunt Jackie's half and half hydrating spray, and I just use a bit of that on my scalp. Then I'm also using this Jamaican castor oil hair sorbet. If you guys have been watching my channel, then you know that I absolutely love this product. The consistency is super perfect. It's not like super heavy. I love it so much. And then I'm going in with this Sunny Isle Jamaican black castor oil just to seal all of that in and to protect my strands. And then I'm going in and detangling. So first I'm starting off with this part, and I'm gonna show you guys how I twist. So I don't just 2-strand twist, I like to flat twist the roots. So here's a little bit of a close-up on how I twist. I'm just flat twisting a bit, then I just twist like normal, and this helps to keep my roots to not frizz up or get puffy. It just keeps them pretty flat, and in my opinion it makes my style last so much longer this way, so I love to twist like this. Even when I did my really small mini twists, if you guys have watched that video, then you know I do the same thing, and it just helps it to last like so much longer. And yes, that's me checking out my shrinkage. So yeah, that's the process, that's the product application, and then gently detangle, and I go in and I flat twist my roots. I also forgot to mention that I also use wild growth hair oil on my scalp. I've been using this for quite some time, and personally I love it. I have very good results with it. It makes my hair pretty thick, I noticed, and grow pretty fast. So yeah, it has tons of oils in it that I really like, so I also use that. And once again, here's another close-up of how I twist, just flat twisting the roots. If you guys haven't tried this method, please try it out and let me know in the comments what you think of it or how it works for you. I know on TikTok, the TikTok girlies say they swear by this, and that is just good info that I've been giving out, so I'm gonna mention it on here. My shrinkage. Yes, once again, I'm amazed by my shrinkage, but these are how my twists are looking so far. So yeah, I just move section by section and do the same thing, twist, twist, twist. Here is also a close-up of how I actually twist the length of my hair. I just take a piece and I twist it before I cross over, twist it before I cross over. It's called the rope method, which also makes your twists look neater and in my opinion last longer. How I twist honestly is just to make my twists last as long as possible because my hair frizzes up so quickly. So this is the method that I use that I found helps me, so I hope it helps you guys out as well. I also wanted to say that I also noticed a lot of you new subscribers. Hello from my other hair videos and like hair related stuff, and I just wanted to say I appreciate you guys so much for subscribing and joining the family. I also do create other videos as well on this channel, not just hair, lifestyle stuff, spirituality stuff, self-improvement videos, vlogs, and all of that. So I'm gonna try to incorporate more hair stuff into my videos in general, but yeah, I also do make other kinds of videos on here, and I'm looking to make more like spiritual Christian videos as well coming up in the future. So yep, that'll be coming up. But hello to all the new subscribers, and yeah, that's all I wanted to say on that. Okay, now I'm on to the back of my hair, which honestly, I kind of fooled myself because usually when I twist, I always start in the back and work my way up. But I actually had somewhere to go this day, so I started in the front. And when I realized I still had to do the back, like, look at how much hair that is. Look at how much hair that is. So yeah, this is me going row by row. I'm not super particular with parting in the back of my hair, so I kind of just freestyle it. And yeah, this is me showing you the back of my head right now. And yeah, I only really pay attention to the parts when I'm at my crown or near the front of my hair. This is also me just detangling once again. Strands are so delicate, like curly hair is so delicate, so make sure when you're detangling that you are really taking your time, because when it comes to hair growth, detangling honestly can give you the most breakage. As soon as I started treating my hair like the queen's lace, I have been keeping strands on my head. It's not just about protective styling, but it's also about protecting your hair by how you treat it and how you handle your hair. So just make sure to take your time, be gentle, hydrate your hair. So if you're looking after like hair growth, then that is definitely a tip. Okay, so this is the final result. Oh my gosh, it's so cold on my neck, but these are a lot bigger than the other ones that I did. I decided to do them a bit bigger. I love that mini twists are so versatile. I can just get up, do my edges if I want to, and go. I could put it up in a bun or a ponytail, do like 2 braids or something, half up, half down. If you guys want to see a video of me styling these twists, then just let me know in the comments below. But yep, this is how they came out and I really like them. It took me about 3.5 hours to do these, and I hope for them to last me for a few weeks, maybe like 2 to 4 weeks, depending how you take care of them. How I usually take care of my twists or any protective style that I do on my hair, I actually just tie it down with a silk scarf at night, and in the morning, no frizz. That's pretty much all I do, and then every few days I would go ahead and I would moisturize with those products that I've shown you guys. And yeah, this has really helped me to keep my hands out of my hair. It's a good style to do. You don't have to worry about how you're doing your hair. It's a good style for growth. Ever since I started my mini twists, my growth has been just amazing. My hair has been flourishing and shiny and healthy even after bleaching my hair, so that's really great. I really love it. I'm going to go watch The Little Mermaid now, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope to see you guys in the next one. So don't forget to subscribe and leave a like, but until then, bye!